Hi there everyone, welcome to iPad Essential. In this video, we will talk about how we connect our iPad with this Shure MV7 mic or any other Shure mic. So it is actually pretty easy, guys. What we need to do here is you need to connect your cable that comes with this mic to here, just like what we do in case of a computer. And another pointer here, I'm going to connect here in the iPad USB-C port. And now I will take you to my iPad screen. And in this way, guys, we will able to connect our mic to our iPad. And here also you can see it is working. Now, one more thing we can do here is we can download Shure MOTIV app inside our iPad. For that, let me open Apple Store. And here we need to look for MOTIV app. Let me type here MOTIV. And there we go. Here we can see we have got this app. Let's click on it. And there we have it. Now open it. Now you need to click on allow. Again click on allow. And now here you can see if I make it full screen, this mic, which is Shure MV7, is detected. Now you can also utilize this app for recording by simply clicking on record, and that's how you will able to utilize it. And if you talk closely, here you can see the amplitude now grows, which kind of indicate that the app is using this particular mic. Now let me press here pause, and then I can save it on the top. If I go in voice recorder here, and let's also see if I can utilize this mic. For that, again, let's press here record button. Now here also you can see, as soon as I am taking this mic closer to my mouth, you can see the increase in amplitude of recorded sound, which is a kind of indication that we are utilizing this mic, not onboard Apple iPad Pro mic. So this way, guys, we can connect the Shure mic with our iPad. That's all, guys, from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to iPad Essential to follow more such videos related to iPad. Also share your suggestions, what kind of video we need to come up with in this channel. Let's catch each other in our next video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.